going to be showing you lovely people how to successfully complete a screen recording on your MacBooks. So to start with, you go to your search bar and you type in QuickTime Player. You then click on the application which is already built into your MacBook, and then you should see an icon appear at the bottom of your screen. You then force click the icon and press New Screen Recording. You then have the choice to use an internal microphone or use no audio at all, but I am going to use an internal microphone just for the purpose of the video. You then tap record, and then to start your recording you can click anywhere on the screen, and I'm just going to click the middle because it just makes the most sense. So this is me currently speaking on the other screen recording, as you can probably tell, because the audio does tend to sound a bit different. Yeah, so that's it. Really quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.